Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we got this 2012 GMC Acadia. Check engine light, runs rough. And so we pulled the intake manifold, fuse box, and the valve cover because we have a P0018 and a P0019. Both for bank 2, which is in the front. And so you can see timing chains are pretty loose, so we could hear it rattling when it was running. Now I'm going to be removing the rear valve cover. You have all these 10mm bolts, and then there's some way back here, and then should be able to get that one off. The next step will be drain the coolant and then take the belt off, the water pump, and then I'll probably get to the front timing cover and we'll go from there. So you got to take right front wheel off. We're going to be doing this in the car to get to the 19mm bolt. If you don't have an impact, you can just put a pipe on that and crank it with the starter, break that bolt loose. Here's my pile of parts. You see the bottom side of the valve cover there? Yeah. People need to change their oil more often. But it is the direct injection model. And if you look in the intake valves, look nice. So that's good. Alright, so we got down everything apart. Front timing cover's off finally. And I cleaned up some of the silicone. And I'm gonna have to replace these cam phasers because mine are bad. You can see they have on the intake sprockets, when these were bolted down, this was moving. And also you could see all the grooves in the teeth where my timing chain was. This side too. So you can see all the indentations because this timing chain was so loose. So I'm gonna go ahead and replace those. Water pump, chains. I'm gonna clean the valve covers and replace all the intake gaskets and valve cover gaskets. Hey guys, welcome back. I got the new sprockets on both banks, got the new timing chains, got all the marks lined up, new tensioners, new guides, new primary chain, new crank sprocket, new idlers, pretty much the whole timing kit here. Everything's looking good. As you can see, timing marks right there. Right there. Let's see if I have light. And then down on the idler. Right there. Crank sprocket. And then your left bank L lined up with the circles. Left bank L lined up with the circles. And then you also want to check and make sure they have an L on the intake cam sprocket. Make sure that goes on the left bank, driver's side. And then there's an R on the right bank, and that's for the passenger side. Right bank, line it up with the little R. As you can see, the GMC Acadia is pretty clean. So we got it at the auction. Yeah, it's a 2012. It's got cloth interior. Sorry for the bad lighting, but TV, 2 sunroofs. Yeah, it's pretty sweet.